Hi, I'm Lori Schneider with Vig's Catering in Austin, Texas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pasilla, pepper, and chicken tortilla soup. The ingredients that you're going to need for the soup include vegetable oil, salt and pepper, garlic, fresh cilantro and green onions, fresh chicken, sour cream, sweet corn, limes, dried pasilla peppers, queso fresco, avocados, button mushrooms, chicken broth, cumin, tomatoes, onions, and corn tortillas. The equipment that you're going to need include a large stock pot, a sheet pan, your chef's knife, a zester, and a cutting board.